Have you ever wondered how to break free from the constant chase for the next client? Hi, I'm Dave Wilkins, founder and president of Wolverine Business Solutions, where we're dedicated to helping business owners like you improve financial performance and overall success. Feeling stuck in the project-based grind? Whether you run a managed IT service, an elder law firm, or a creative agency, relying on one-off jobs means unpredictable income and constant hustling. But what if there was a better way? Today, let's explore the power of recurring revenue, a strategy that can make a huge difference for your business. Let's face it, relying solely on projects can be stressful. You chase new clients, deal with unpredictable income, and constantly worry about the dry spells between jobs. This is the project-based blues that plague businesses in many industries. Imagine a managed IT service provider landing a $5,000 network installation project. That's great, but once it's finished, they have no guaranteed income until they secure another client. This creates financial uncertainty and limits their ability to invest in new tools or expand their services. Similar challenges exist for an elder law attorney who may face the same feast or famine cycle if they focus on one-time services such as wills, estate plans, or probate. Plus, when they are busy providing the service, their business development efforts suffer. This isn't just a service business problem. Sellers of large ticket items often face the same problem. But there is a solution: developing a recurring revenue model. At its core, a recurring revenue model is designed to convert one-time or infrequent customers into reliable, predictable customers who buy from you on a regular schedule. It provides a steady stream of revenue, enhances customer loyalty, and allows for better long-term planning. For managed IT service providers, this could mean offering managed service packages that bundle essential IT services at a fixed monthly fee, or providing subscription-based access to cloud services. For elder law firms, it might involve creating legal wellness plan memberships or estate planning review and update programs. Starting a recurring revenue model can produce predictable income, stabilize cash flow, increase customer retention rates, and enable you to invest and grow and attract new talent. While there are costs involved, these tend to decline over time as your recurring revenue streams grow. Are you ready for more feasting and less famine? We would be happy to explore the power of recurring revenue and unlock financial stability for your business. Click the link below to schedule a call and learn more about Wolverine Business Solutions' approach to developing recurring revenue models. If you have content ideas or questions on improving your financial performance, boosting growth, and building lasting value, please leave a message. Also, please join our Facebook group and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insights and discussions. Thanks for watching.